Okay, hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use any Bluetooth controller you want on your Xbox. So PS4 controllers, any, any Bluetooth controller like, Nintendo Switch ones will work. So what you want to do is first go into the Xbox app. And then you want to sign in. Then when you get to here, you want to click these three lines. You want to press set up a console. And then you'll just press your and then you'll press set up new console. And then you'll just connect your Xbox from there. Now, once you connect your Xbox, you want to press on the Xbox. First, you want to make sure your Xbox is powered on as well. My bad. Then you want to press remote play on this device. Press continue. And then you're gonna wait until it loads. And now this will pop up. Another thing to note, to do this, you want to have a strong internet connection. So anyway, you want to go to your Bluetooth settings and then connect your wireless controller. I've got a PS4 controller here. Okay, now it's connected. I want to go back into this. And then wait until it loads. There you go. Your Xbox is now streamed to your phone. And you can actually do this from anywhere. So you can do this from like across the country. Or at a friend's house or whatnot. So yeah, and now your Bluetooth controller is working. And we're on a phone. And I'm using a PS4 controller. I hope this is helpful. And I know I don't do these videos very often. I usually do like Minecraft videos. But I thought this was really cool. And I needed to share it. And I hope this helps some people that if you lose your Xbox controller and you have like a PS4 controller or a Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons or something, and then you can just connect it from your connected to your phone, and then just use your Xbox. You don't need to look at your phone screen as well. You can just plug your phone in and then put it to the side and just leave it on. And it'll just act as a bypass through it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you can load up any game you want. Anyway, peace out.